I was upset and frightened for you. That's a long trek. But it's still a long way to go. And we're still going to be worried, you know. But it's amazing, well, for not being that experienced on a bike.
It was the summer of 2009 and I was about to get married. Before this happened, I wanted to do something crazy, so I decided to ride my motorcycle across Canada.
I was worried about you going on the trip, but I figured there was nothing I could do or say to stop you from going. You needed to go.
I believe that you wanted to air out your mind, your thoughts, by going on this trip and viewing the scenery and the lovely things along the way. You would have the opportunity to be more relaxed and ready to take on the future.
Well, I've pretty much done my first hour of driving. I'm so sore. I've learned now that I can do about an hour and a half on my bike before screaming in agony and pain. I need to stretch. I was meeting up with my brother in Saskatchewan, which was exciting because this would be the first chance we got to ride together. So Mom's going to want to know what's going on here. So, where are you? Which bed did you clean? This one. Why? Close to the window if I need to get out fast. Being on the road with my brother was awesome, but somehow the more and more we drove, the more we acted like stupid kids. Hi. We're over here. There's Tim. How are you feeling? Good? What's going on with the bike there? And it just got worse and worse from there. Most of our jokes ended up being about bodily functions. So we're at a rest stop now. Tim had to stop and Mark had to pee. This guy right here, he had to pee. He's gonna go pee over there. So we pushed on through the night and we finally made it to Winnipeg. Got to visit with family and friends, and the best part, having my dad give my bike a tune-up.
We changed the oil and the oil filter adjust the choke so it worked properly. Check the air pressure in the tires, so it's really running good now. bike looks amazing. It's they don't build them like that anymore. It's a beautiful looking bike.
This was as far as my brother was going, so the rest of the trip I'd be making my way all by myself.
So I've been riding for about 5 hours now. I'm trying to get from Thunder Bay to Sault Ste. Marie. It sounds like I'm being a bitch and complaining a whole bunch, but just at the time I wasn't having any fun. And what's the point of doing this trip if you're not having any fun? So I was coming up the highway here, and the first road I saw, so I turned in and opened up to this clearing and this big, beautiful private beach. It looks like it's been abandoned for years. There's some outhouses just over there, and they're all, like, all the trees and bushes have grown over them, and yeah, no sign of human beings here for a long time, and feeling pretty lucky right now, and I'm going to stop being a bitch and get on with this trip and enjoy it. So after the long drives that I've been doing, camped out, froze, I decided today I'm going to treat myself. There's only one way to do that. Eat McDonald's in a cheap motel. Woo-hoo!
I'm loving it.
On the last day of the trip, I was totally re-energized and wishing I would have planned it so I could have made it all the way to the Atlantic Ocean. I just wasn't ready for the trip to be over.